Are you still relying on hospitals to check your blood pressure? To keep a check on your heart health? Welcome to Flicky Facts. Ever thought about how simple it could be to keep track of your blood pressure from the comfort of your home? Imagine using a device that provides reliable readings and connects directly to your smartphone. Let's talk about the OMRON BP7000 Evolv wireless upper arm blood pressure monitor and explore whether it might be a helpful companion for managing your heart health or not. So stay tuned to learn more. What's in the box? In the box, you'll find the OMRON BP7000 Evolv wireless upper arm blood pressure monitor, a user manual, and 4 AAA batteries. If you want to buy the OMRON Evolv wireless blood pressure monitor from Amazon, just tap the link in the description below. Product description: Start or stop button, connection button, display, arm cuff, battery compartment. Systolic blood pressure, diastolic blood pressure, and pulse display. Display symbols. Install the batteries. First, remove the protective cover from the back. Install the batteries. Place back the protective cover. Setup with app. Download and install the OMRON Connect app from the App Store or Google Play. Sign into your account. Pair with your monitor and synchronize with your blood pressure and take health notes. Safety precautions. Avoid eating, drinking, bathing, smoking, and exercising for 30 minutes before taking a measurement. Check the battery. Apply the cuff correctly. Adjust your body posture. How to use. Step 1. Put on the cuff. Remove tight-fitting or thick clothing from your arm. Place your left arm through the cuff and securely close with the fabric fastener. Step 2. Adjust the cuff. Position the cuff 1 finger above your elbow pit, ensuring 1 finger can fit snugly between your arm and the cuff. Align the monitor with the center of your palm. Step 3. Sit properly. Position your arm so the cuff is at heart level and sit with your back supported and feet flat on the ground. Step 4. Start the measurement. Relax. Press the Start button and view your result on the LED display or in the app. Measurement classifications. Normal blood pressure, fluctuation. Blood pressure, classification for adults. Maintenance tips. Features. One-piece design takes clinically accurate readings anywhere, anytime, without awkward wires or hoses. Proven accuracy you can trust. OMRON blood pressure monitors are built for confidence with clinically informed tech and industry recognition. With just the press of a button, you can effortlessly initiate readings and view your results on the easy-to-read display in 30 to 60 seconds. Bluetooth makes it easy to connect to your phone, making the data more intuitive and sending it to your personal doctor. #1 doctor and pharmacist recommended brand and the #1 selling manufacturer of blood pressure monitors for over 50 years. Specifications. Troubleshooting. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your OMRON Evolv wireless blood pressure monitor. See you in the next one.